Hi, this is part 2 of my ace padlock. This padlock was sent to me by Southampton Lockpicking Club. Guys, thank you very much for sending it to me. I was a bit disappointed of all standard pins, so I decide now to put some security pins in this lock. I do not have a key pins, security pins from American or Master Lock, but I do have security driver pins, and I will check if I have some long pin to put it as a 5th pin. So this is my pins. Yeah, it's a bit hard to find. This is for some other. Yeah, I think I do not have the 5th pin. No, this is not going to work. So okay, in that case, let it be 5 pins. Maybe some key pin will work. Let me check. No, this is a smaller and this is a smaller chamber. Okay, in that case, it is what it is. So let's check. So how we are going to do. So 1, 3 and 4, 1, 3 and 5 will be, I will replace it with spools and serrated spools, and I don't know if I have serrated pins here. I have a lot of spools. Yeah, here it is, one serrated, maybe not. The problem is this rounded part. So let's go with all serrated spools. Let's see how it's going to be. So that's out. So we're replacing all standard pins with serrated spools. So yeah, let's put them. Come on. And I will try to pick it and see the difference in time and complexity. And 4 and 5. Yeah, that's good. Now let's reassemble it. Done. Put the C-clip keys. Let's check if everything is working. It's catching a bit. Yeah, because these pins they are not, how it's called, they are not they are not tempered, so that's why they're catching a bit, but that doesn't matter. It's very heavy lock. That's really interesting, but they put all pins standard. That's not good. So let's check if it's working. Yeah, it's working. Let's close it. Yeah, it's working. So let's move everything and make a space for picking. So now the picking part, same lock but with security pins in it. I want the sticker here. So let's starting. So I think 2 is binding. Click from 2. Now 4 or 5. 5. I think I'm stuck. So now 1. Couple of clicks. 2. Nothing from 2. 5. Oh, now I'm stuck with my pick. So this is going to be interesting. So I need to release a bit of tension. So that was 3, 4 click and 5 click, and I am in full set. I think 4, no, 2, no, 1. Now my pick is stuck. That's the difference. Yeah, now 1, so 4, 3 is back. Yeah, we are open. That's a really big difference. But yeah, Ace decided not to put security pins in it, and it is what it is. But anyways guys, that was the Ace lock picked again, and with the security pins again. Southampton Lock Picking Club, thank you very much for sending this lock to me. And guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.